finally spring, and it's definitely feeling like it outside.
The past couple of days we pushed around 80 degrees outside, so that's a sign where it's starting to feel like spring, and it felt fantastic. It looked great outside.
Oh yeah.
Past couple of days, blue skies and partly cloudy skies and lots of sunshine. And as I mentioned, temperatures were warm in the afternoons, pushing 80 degrees. Today, more of the same, but more cloud cover, a little bit more than yesterday. That's the big change as we head into this weekend. And right now, it is pretty warm outside, very mild, close to our high temperature on average. This time of year, southeast wind 10 miles per hour. Dew point is another big story. That's humidity we're talking about, and that's slowly building at around 61 degrees, getting slowly closer to the actual air temperature at 68 degrees. So when those two start to match, that's when we have full saturation, and that's when we start getting fog into the forecast. But no fog as far as this morning or even tomorrow morning to deal with. Just lots of cloud cover and a very slim rain chance going into the next couple hours. So we'll have a slight rain chance going into around 10 a.m. Mainly clouds, though. I wouldn't worry about the chance of the thunderstorm. Mostly cloudy throughout your early afternoon. Temperatures warming up quickly despite the cloud cover, mid to upper 70s. And the southeast wind kicking up to about 20 miles per hour sustained out across the coastal bend later on this afternoon and this evening. So breezy, cloudy, a very, very slim chance at rain, but more clouds than anything. You see on radar right now, nothing being picked up as far as returns. But if you look out to our north, just north of San Antonio and that I-35 corridor into the I-37 corridor, into Dallas, the I-20 corridor, that's where the isolated showers and more organized activity we're talking about. And you can see south of Oklahoma City, a nice line of showers forming and pushing south and also east into the Red River Valley as of right now. Now, temperatures are pretty cool. There's that front we're talking about, a very weak one in the Panhandle. Behind it, yeah, mid to upper 30s, mid to upper 40s in Lubbock, 46 degrees, 51 in El Paso. Pretty mild in front of it, though, mid to upper 60s, near 70 degrees in Brownsville, as well as in Corpus Christi on this Saturday morning. So here's a setup. More clouds, mainly east of that I-35 corridor as you get into Austin and also Dallas right now. But you can see clearing right behind it. It's all thanks to this area of low pressure just off the border of Colorado and Kansas. You can see it spinning nicely just off that border right now. You can see it's pretty strong as it pushes eastward. And just another look at it with satellite imagery right now, that infrared satellites is just showing a lot of cloud cover and some heavy bands of rain more north of us. So what we're dealing with is more clouds. Some patchy drizzle will be possible on Futurecast. And then Sunday afternoon, gradual clearing. Partly cloudy conditions and temperatures still pretty cool in the mid to upper 60s, near 70 degrees every day until about Monday and Tuesday when we slightly get a cool down in the afternoon. 78 degrees this afternoon, mostly cloudy. As I mentioned, a stray shower very possible, but more clouds. It's going to be a very slim rain chance. Southeast wind kicking up to about 10 to 20 miles per hour with sunrise around 7:30 later on this morning. If you're going out on the bay, it's going to be cloudy, but that southeast wind will be the big story, up to about 20 miles per hour, making a moderate chop out on the bay. 7-day forecast, a nice stretch of spring weather through about Sunday and until Wednesday afternoon. Starting on Sunday afternoon, more clouds returning into the forecast on Thursday and Friday. But temperatures are pretty cool starting off the work week. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 60s, low 60s on Tuesday, thanks to a weak cold front coming through. Lots of sunshine. And as I mentioned, very warm on Thursday and Friday, pushing near 80 degrees come Friday afternoon, Bill.
Thank you, Ryan.